Still kicking, brother.
Oh yeah.
Can you feel that all the way down?
Yeah, that was good.
That was real good, wasn't it?
Like a weight lifted off.
Yes, sir. How long ago was it when you fell?
That was 5 years ago.
Yeah,
Yeah, a little. Yeah, it was 5 years ago.
with a compression fracture.
Mhm.
So hopefully this will get some of that pressure off. I think you should be feeling better. You might be sore for a couple days,
Mm-hmm.
because it's had never been cracked like that, has it?
Nah.
But after that, I think you'll be feeling good. All right, let me help you up. Oh yeah, there you go. All right, stand up, see how that feels.
Oh yeah. I can feel the difference already.
Very good.